Hi guys, I'm Jess.
And I'm Monet.
And today we're here with PrettyLittleThing. I'm going to be trying out the Ordinary products.
We've never used the products before, but an expert's given us their best advice, so we're really excited to try them out.
Yes, we've got a step-by-step routine here for each product, and we're going to try them all out. We're going to let you guys know what we think about them and give you all the ins and outs.
Okay, so the routine that we're doing today is for dehydrated skin.
So this is if you've got dry skin. I know myself, sometimes I do get dry skin even though my skin type is normal.
Yeah.
And even after I've been in the sun, I feel like my skin can be quite dry also. So we've got the 3 products here. I think it's 2 serums and 1 cream.
Okay, so we're going to start with the hyaluronic acid. You can use this in the morning or in the night, and you just apply a few drops to your face. So we also use this product in our routine for aging. So this will help with that as well, which is always good.
Yes, love that. So I've just literally gone in with 3 drops.
Okay, I'm going to do the same. And so this is supposed to repair the skin as well.
Do you know what? I can feel my skin literally like sucking it in. And that sounds really silly, but like, it's dried really quick on my skin.
Feeling hydrated?
Oh my god, 100%. You've got a nice glow as well. Okay, so once that's settled into our faces, we're going to go on to the next product, which is the Natural Moisturising Factors in HA.
So it says it just hydrates again. I mean...
Yeah, this is the whole point of this routine, so...
Exactly.
That's what we want.
We just want to be hydrated, okay?
Just hydrated gals.
Yes,
so I've gone for like a little tiny bit on my finger. I'm going to rub that between my fingers and then pop it on my face. Ooh,
initial thoughts,
nice.
Initial thoughts and feelings.
I'm liking it. What are you thinking? I like this.
I'm liking it.
It feels like a little bit more watery.
Yeah.
So I get the whole hydration thing. Like I feel like I'm being hydrated.
But I think also like if you like take your makeup off with wipes or whatever, you know sometimes wipes can, when you wash your face you feel really dry and like stiff.
100%. Even when you wash your face after taking makeup off.
Exactly. So I feel like this is really nice.
Definitely. And we said before, didn't we? You can use this either in the morning or the evening, but I think you can just use it throughout the day. It's not necessarily like a routine kind of thing. You can use it like day to day.
Whatever works for you.
Yeah, which is amazing.
Okay, so this routine is for the morning.
Yes.
And I feel like it's nice because it will be a nice base like for the day.
Yeah, I think that's great for underneath your makeup as well. Like I love a glowy makeup look, so I think that's great. I just feel like this one feels a lot thinner and more of like a watery base, like I said before.
Yeah, I think that's what I like because usually with moisturisers I find they're really thick and like cloggy.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
And I like the fact that this is thin, lightweight, just ready to go.
Okay, so we're now going to go into the nighttime routine for our dehydration, and the first product is the hyaluronic acid, which is 2%. We used this one earlier for our AM routines. We originally really liked this one anyway, didn't we? We
did. So we found that not only does it hydrate, it repairs, which is fun. Who doesn't want repaired skin?
I know.
There you go.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, I love it. Like we said before, I feel like you can tell it's so hydrating.
Yeah, I feel like you need to be hydrated for nighttime as well because you've had like a long day. Your skin's like been through a lot.
I know. I tell you what, I didn't realise as well how dehydrated you are when you wake up in the morning.
Yeah.
Like you've gone all that time without drinking water, so I feel like it's important to have a good skin routine before bed.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna wake up looking good, you know?
Gorge.
Love that. Okay, so next one is the 100% plant-derived squalane. So again, this is another serum. Apply a few drops daily or as needed to the entire face, ideally after water-based treatments. Right, I'm going to go for a couple blobs.
Thank you. So daily, so I guess that means you could use it at any point in the day.
Yeah.
Whatever works for you.
Oh god, this one feels like a lot thicker. It's nice.
Does it? And it really says to use after water-based products, so I guess that's why this is after the serum.
Yeah, a lot more moisturising maybe.
I think this is nice for the nighttime as well because you haven't got any thick creams. It's just like light serums.
Yeah, I really like that nighttime routine. Again, what I love about Ordinary is it's so easy to do. I feel like it's really explanatory. Products are really nice. I feel really good.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm definitely happy with it. I think it's good because the products say they repair. Yeah. And like I always hear people saying like at night time that's when your skin does the repairing. So obviously it makes sense. This is a nighttime routine.
Yeah.
Sleep. wake up looking perfect.
Yeah, I feel like my skin's definitely hydrated, and that's the whole key of this. So
Yes.
yeah, very impressed with this. Okay, so that's it from us. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed getting to see some of the Ordinary products. I know we really enjoyed it.
Yeah, and make sure you stay tuned and have a look for our other skincare routines.
See you later, guys.
Bye.